and action. It's really loud.
Our brains are brilliant.
Our brains are brilliant.
Our brains are brilliant.
Our brains do things like controlling our emotions and our imagination.
Our brains where we store all of our skills and memories.
The brain is good for us because it remembers thinking, moving.
Our brains are where we store all of our skills and our memories.
Using your brain is very important because if you don't use it, you lose it. There are 5 ways you can make your brain healthier. This video is all about trying new things.
Trying new things is like a workout for our brain to keep it flexible. When we do new things, our brain has to work really hard, and that means that it forms new connections to help keep it healthy and strong.
Trying new things keep our brain healthy. So like I like to try the indoor skydiving one day.
Yeah, trying new things, like if you try new things, sometimes it's hard. But if you try new things, your brain is not getting used to the same things all the time.
Yeah, I would like to try and go horse riding in Patagonia. And a new thing I would like to try is golf. New things can be big or small. You could try new foods or learn a new skill or try new activities. What new things would you like to try and do to keep your brain healthy?
You need to make a health plan because it's good for your brain.
You could set a goal for your brain health plan.
You can scan the QR code to download your own brain health plan to fill in with your ideas about how you can look after your brain.